In previous video, we have seen access mode of port. Access mode normally applied on a single switch to assign ports to VLAN. Now we are going to discuss about trunk mode of VLAN. That is, trunk mode applied when two or more switches carry multiple VLAN traffic. Trunk mode creates a logical link between two or more switches which passes multiple VLANs from one switch to another switch with the help of frame tagging. To understand it practically, let us focus on this network diagram. In this network diagram, we have taken two switches and we have connected multiple computers to switches. In this diagram, we have created multiple VLAN, VLAN 101, VLAN 103 and VLAN 102. Switch 1 contains two VLAN, that is VLAN 102 and VLAN 103. Switch 2 again contains two VLANs, VLAN 101 and VLAN 103. So VLAN number 103 is common for switch 1 and switch 2. In this case, PC of switch 1 is added to VLAN 103 and PC of switch 2 is also again to VLAN number 103. VLAN number 102 and VLAN number 101 are on respective single switches, but VLAN number 103 we have created on multiple, that is switch 1 and switch 2. Now problem is that how to create VLAN number 103, because we have different machines on different switches. In that case, we required trunk mode of port. Let us see with the help of practical. Now go to switch 1 and create respective VLANs. VLAN 102 and VLAN 103 and assign respective ports to VLAN numbers, that is interface FA01 and FA02 to VLAN number 102. Switch port access VLAN 102 and interface FA04 we need to assign it to VLAN 103. Now come to switch 2 and create respective VLAN. VLAN 101 and VLAN 103. Interface FA02 use range command. FA03 switch port access VLAN 101, right? And again we have interface FA04 and we need to assign it to VLAN 103. Now check whether the VLANs are created or not. Now I am pinging the machines of VLAN 102 from machines of VLAN number 101. Now see here, I am pinging from IP address 10.0.0.2 10.0.0.4 and go to ping 10.0.0.4. This machine is from VLAN number 102. So request timeout, not pinging, not communicating to each other. That means these grouping is created. But machines within the VLAN will communicate or not, we are going to check. So we are going to check over here. The IP address of this machine is 10.0.0.1 and we are going to ping 10.0.0.2. 10.0.0.2. Reply is coming, that is they are communicating. Within the VLAN the machines are communicating. But problem for VLAN number 103, because machines of VLAN number 103 are from different switches, so they will not ping. Let us see. So I am going to communicate the machine, that is ping 10.0. Ping 10.0.0.6. They are not pinging. So both machines are not pinging within the VLAN also. So this is the problem. In this case we required trunk link between two switches. So we need to create one trunk link between two switches which will pass the VLAN of one switch to another switch. So trunk is the logical link between two switches. Now how to create that particular trunk link, let us see practically. Now see, the port of switch 1 connected to switch 2 is FA03. See here, this one is the port. So this one is the port which is connected to switch 2, and switch 2 is connected to switch 1 from this port. So we need to assign trunk link to that particular ports. So we will assign ports to that particular interfaces. Now how to assign it? Go to respective switch. Now I am on switch 1. Now select that particular interface FA03, and the command to assign port, trunk port, is switch port mode trunk, and go to again switch 2, interface FA01, switch port mode trunk. So when we apply this trunk mode to respective ports, this will carry the VLAN 103 from switch 1 to switch 2. Now check whether they are pinging or not. Now IP address of PC5 is 0.5 and IP address of P6 is 0.6. So I am pinging from 0.6 to 0.5. So they are pinging. So here we have created a logical group or VLAN of different machines of different switches, that is trunk mode. Thank you.